Hey, feds, in our workshops, there is one non-negotiable that I have. One of them where you can't, I don't want you to do anything but what I'm going to tell you. And it's for every, and it's uniform across all federal employees. The one thing that you have to do, are you ready for this? The one thing you have to do is that whomever you have help you create your retirement plan and get everything together, they have to understand federal benefits. Too many federal employees go to a generalist and say, hey, generalist, can you put it together? Yeah, but they don't understand the tips and the tricks and the little things that sometimes HR doesn't even know. They just pass over because they don't know it either. And I have seen so many mistakes made by generalists for federal employees that now I say non-negotiable, whoever you have help you with your retirement, you have to go talk to someone who has federal employment experience. They have to understand federal employees. They have to understand the tips and tricks and insides and outsides and everything, all the hacks that you can use, because there are a lot of hacks that you can use within the federal government. But if your person doesn't know federal employees, but they know regular hacks, well, that's totally different. So the one non-negotiable that I have is to whomever you're working with, they have to understand federal benefits. Now, if you don't know where to find those people, let me know, because I can point you in the right direction. Always your choice, but I can point you in the right direction. But oh my goodness, you have to find those people. Non-negotiable, most important.